Hello, how are you?
I am fine, thank you. How are you?
I am good too. What is your name?
My name is Emma. What is your name?
My name is David. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I am from London. Where are you from?
I am from Pakistan. Where do you live now?
I live in Karachi.
That's a nice city. What do you do?
I am a student. What about you?
I am a student too. Which class are you in?
I am in class 10.
Oh, I am in class 9. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
That's early. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
What do you like to eat for breakfast?
I like eggs and bread. What about you?
I like paratha and tea.
What is your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Me too. What are your hobbies?
I like reading and listening to music.
I like playing football. Who is your favorite singer?
My favorite singer is Ed Sheeran.
Mine too. What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
That's great. I love English too.
Who is your English teacher?
My English teacher is Miss Sarah.
She sounds nice. How many people are in your family?
There are 5 people in my family. What about you?
There are 4 people in my family.
What does your father do?
My father is a doctor.
My father is a teacher. How is the weather today?
It is sunny today.
Yes, it is a beautiful day.
Do you like rainy days?
Yes, I love them.
What do you do after school?
I do my homework. What about you?
I play football with my friends.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 10 o'clock.
I sleep at 11 o'clock. Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
Which country do you want to visit?
I want to visit Japan.
Wow, me too. What do you do on weekends?
I visit my grandparents. What about you?
I watch movies and relax.
Do you use a smartphone?
Yes, I do. Which app do you use the most?
I use YouTube and Instagram.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I am very happy
Why?
because I got good marks in English.
What do you want to be in the future?
I want to be a pilot.
That's amazing. I want to be a doctor.
It was nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you too.
See you tomorrow.
See you, bye. Great job. You just learned 100 daily English questions and answers for everyday use. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.